taking off the mirror off the F-150. This one is a 2011. It's the same way for the 2011, 12, 13. Yeah. And same process. 3 screws. You pull it out from over here, right here on this side, and this is it right here. This was the old one. This is the new up-to-date one. This is the new up-to-date one that I put on here. On it, up-to-date. Yeah, F-150, 2011 and up. Check online and see. Can you always do it? Drive. I'm using this because it helps, and you can pry it up before you put the panel on. This is an 11. This is an 11 that I use, and it's 3 screws. Took one out here, one here, one here. After we take the door panel cover off, I'm gonna show you how you take this door panel cover off. I also use this here, and I use this screwdriver, but you could use anything thin. So you use this tool right here. You can get this at any store, or the store, Harbor Freight, and you go down in here and you pull this up, and then you will see this is a size 5. This is a size 5/16 to take it out. You take it out with a 5/16. You take it out with a 5/16 like this. You take it out. Go down there, and you take it out with your 5/16. Now, once you take this out, there's another one over here, a screw over here. I don't have the screw in there because I took the screw out already, and it will be the same 5/16. And you take the 5/16 out here, right here. You put it in and take it out right there, and then once you take that out, you go ahead, and then it's 2 screws at the bottom. There are 2 screws at the bottom, and then this is a 4. This is a size 4. So you take your size 4 and you put it back on the ratchet, size 4, and it's 2 screws. It's one here and one over here on this side, and you just take them out. Now, to take the cover off, don't pull it, because you're going to mess it up. All you have to do is just lift this up. Once you lift it up, it will come to you. Do not pull down here, because you're going to break it. After you take all your screws off, make sure all your screws is off. You take all your screws off and you lift it up. I forgot to tell you one more thing with this right here. This also has a cover. So you take a screwdriver, a little small screwdriver, or you can take this little ball thing here that I told you could get Harbor Freight or any auto store. They come in a set, and you can. This is already in here. So you take this and you kind of pry it and pull it back. And I didn't pull it. I lifted up. It was up here, and I lifted up after taking off screw number 1, 2, 3, 4. It carries 4 screws. So I just lift this up and bring it out here, and this one don't weigh this much. So now I can get to my 3 screws that I have, and this socket wiring connector, and I can pull it out that easy. Now once I take my 3 screws out, I remove it, then I put the new one in as I put the new one on the other side. And it back in place, then you push this in and take 2 fingers like this, and you put it in, and that's it. Thank you.